How to play the mental math quiz on Schogini Toys DIY kit Menu L107. Hey future math whizzes! Today, we're diving into some number fun with Menu L107's mental math quiz with addition and subtraction. First things first, make sure you're at Menu L107. If you're not sure how to get there, go watch our How to Navigate the Menu video. It'll show you the way. Ready to start? Just press down on the joystick like you're clicking a button, and boom, your quiz is on. Wait for the scrolling helpline to finish. If you're in a hurry, you can move the joystick to the left to skip it and start the quiz immediately. Now, here's how to play. If you think the quiz question is correct, move the joystick up. If you think it's wrong, move it down. Want to take a break? To exit the quiz, just move the joystick to the left, and you're out. And guess what? This quiz saves high scores. So you can compete with yourself or your friends to become the ultimate maths champion. Happy quizzing, and may the numbers be ever in your favor. Congratulations! Remember, with our Schogini Toys DIY kit, you can learn to create activities just like this one. For more exciting project ideas and updates, be sure to visit our Schogini Toys website and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channels.